Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to learn about report workflows in Zoho Creator. While running a business, you will have several minor tasks to execute. Before we go ahead, let me ask you a few questions. In an order management application, how will you update the order status after every successful delivery? In a project tracker application, how will the team members notify the manager when their task is complete? Similarly, in an inventory management app, how will you send a revised purchase order document to the seller? Did you know that you can perform these actions on click of a button? Sounds interesting, right? If so, then report workflows in Zoho Creator is the best solution for you. A report provides you with default actions where you can edit, duplicate, and delete a record. Additionally, Zoho Creator allows you to create action items for your unique requirements. These action items can be created as buttons and you can add actions to it. When the button is triggered, the associated actions will get executed. Unlike other workflows, a report workflow can only be configured from the Action tab of a report. The new action item or buttons you configure can be accessed on the report. You can use report workflows for single-step actions. However, if your business requirement calls for a complex process with multiple levels of actions, Zoho Creator provides you with the Blueprints workflow. Check out the Blueprints video to learn about it in detail. Let's take the example of an order management app to understand report workflows better. This is a sample application for a home appliance store where customers can purchase desired products online. The report that you see here displays the order status and the details regarding the assigned technician and the date of installation. Let's say we have a requirement here, where every time an order is delivered, the technician should be able to update the status in the report on a single click. To execute this requirement, we need to create a button and configure actions. Let's see how it's done. On this window, go to the editor. The delivery agent usually updates the status on the mobile device. So, let's choose the device type as phone and do the configuration. Depending on our preference, we can choose where the new action item button has to appear. For demonstration purposes, let's take quick view. Go to Actions and here, as you can see, there are default action items such as view record, edit, duplicate, and delete for different gestures. Report workflows come into use when you need to carry out custom actions specific to your business needs. First, choose the gesture in which you want the action item to appear. The options available are on tap of a record, for single record, for long press of a record, for swipe left of a record, swipe right of a record, and for multiple records. Unlike the other options where a button appears, the swipe right and swipe left options trigger the action immediately on swiping in that direction. Let's create the action on long press of a record here. Click the add icon and the workflow window appears. Give an action name. The name you give will be the text of the button that will appear on the report. Let's name it Mark is Delivered. Click Always if you want the button to be ready for action always, or click On Condition if you want the button to appear selectively. Here, let's keep status equals out for delivery so that access to the action remains disabled and the button doesn't show up during other stages of the process. You can now see the set criteria. Now, if you want the action to be triggered immediately after the button is clicked, choose At Once. In case you need to ask for confirmation, you can choose After Confirmation and customize the confirmation question. There will be an option to proceed as well as cancel the action. For now, let's choose At Once. Give a name and let's click Create Workflow. Since we want a record to be updated every time the button is clicked, let's add new action. Let's keep a condition here since we want the delivery to be marked only after the product is out for delivery. In this case, let's keep status equals out for delivery. Zoho Creator enables you the option to send notifications such as emails, SMS, mobile notification, success message, and redirection to a URL. Access data to add, update, or delete from a form. Integrate the data with external applications, run a function and set custom actions with the help of Dilute script. In this case, we need the order status to change to delivered every time the action item is clicked. So, let's choose Data Access, Update Record, and choose the form you want the data to be updated in. We need the job sheet to be updated by the technicians, so let's choose that. Let's keep current record since we want only the data of the chosen record to be updated. But if you want the status of multiple records to be updated simultaneously, you can choose Specify Criteria and set it accordingly. We need the status to be updated from out for delivery to delivered. So let's specify here and save. You can make additional actions as well. Let's stick to a single action now. Save it and click Done and Create. Now go to the quick view and you will find the new action below the default ones. You can rearrange the order of the action items to position the new one as per your convenience. Now let's see how the action works on the live app. Let's access the app on the mobile and go to the report. Long press a record where the status is out for delivery and you will see the Mark is Delivered button along with other default action items. Click on it and you can see the status got updated. Now if you long press any other record with a different order status, the button won't be displayed. This is due to the condition we had set earlier. The buttons can also appear on the report as a field on the detail view. Since we haven't configured the action item for detail view, it's currently unavailable. Every time an edit needs to be done, you need to access the app from laptop or desktop. So let's go to the Design tab and edit it now. Go to Detail View, select Configure Fields for Mobile and add the new button. Now when you access the report from your phone and select a record, you will see the Mark is Delivered button as a field. On clicking it, you can see the status got updated. These actions that we have configured are device oriented. The gestures might differ with respect to the device. For web, the gestures available here are on click of a record, for single record, for right click of a record and for multiple records. For tablets, it's the same as mobile. Although there's a change in gestures, the configuration process remains the same for all. Choose the one that you prefer. You can also make buttons appear as a column when you configure for web. Go to Quick View Configure Fields for Web and add the new button. When you access the report, you will see a column where the button is enabled where status is out for delivery. The condition got applied here as well. In this way, you can create action items as per your requirement. That's all to learn about report workflows. We hope you got a good understanding of report workflows. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.